Got some interesting cars around here. I'll drive round and show you. I'm not going to give the location because obviously people might come and want to try and steal them. There was a Ford Granada there, Mark 1. It could be a Ford Consul, I'm not sure. It's a 3 litre job anyway. Nice. My dad had one of them many years ago. There's a BMW there from 1988, convertible. There also is, look, a Renault from 1980. I think it's a Renault 17. There is a Continental there, the black one. There is a Transit truck, which is a food truck for making waffles. Mark 1 Transit custom. There's also a nice Jag there, another Jag over there, American one over there. Beautiful cars. The place there that restores them does work on them.